Power BI Domo. If you're looking for business intelligence software, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to have a look at both of these software and put them head to head and see what features they have, what drawbacks they have, and then distinguish whether one of them is a good fit for your business needs. So without further ado, let's dive in. So jumping into Power BI now, you can actually discover powerful business intelligence software that turns your data into actionable insights. Power BI actually offers intuitive tools for data visualization and analysis, as well as empowering better decisions. Let's have a look a little bit more. So first of all, it has that easy data visualization. It has a drag and drop interface, which simplifies building dashboards quickly, and you can customize it the way that you need it. You can combine Excel, SQL Server, and cloud data effortlessly, and it offers you real-time updates which provide instant access to your current metrics. Example use cases could include tracking sales by region and productivity categories, all in real time. Also, it has AI-powered analytics for smarter decisions. So it offers natural language queries, so you can actually ask questions in plain English and you can get instant yet simple answers. It also offers quick insights to automatic trends and anomaly detections, which can save analytical time. And their machine learning integration. So it has advanced analytics for predictive and prescriptive insights. This is fantastic. Also, you can customize your visuals. So you can create unique charts tailored to your specific business needs, and you can import from the marketplace or develop your own using Power BI SDK. For example, customer satisfaction gauge charts for quicker and more effective insights. It also gives you mobile accessibility. You can access all of your dashboards anytime, anywhere on your mobile device. Of course, as long as you have an internet connection. It also has a native app for iOS, Android, Windows with some offline accessibility. Having a look now at one or two of their drawbacks. Of course, every software that you'll use will come with one or two drawbacks. First of all, the technical requirements. It does have quite a bank of advanced features, so you would need a little bit of background to use Power BI nicely to its full potential. Also, it does have a steeper learning curve if you are a beginner. One of the other things is reports of performance. Large data sets can actually slow the dashboard responsiveness down quite a bit. And then one of the other things is to consider the cost and see if it's right for you. Let's have a look at Domo now. So Domo gives you real-time data visualization. So it shows business metrics instantly through their real-time visualizations. You can actually get immediate insights from various sources on one unified dashboard. It speeds up your decision-making by highlighting trends without waiting for your reports to generate. That is up to date and in real time. You also have mobile accessibility. You can access your data absolutely anywhere. You can monitor critical data on the go via your mobile apps on iOS as well as Android. The mobile app matches desktop capabilities, enabling instant decisions, which is a rare feature. Also, data streams continuously for immediate insight on mobile devices. So again, it's up to date and in real time. The data integration capabilities, let's have a look at that. So it connects with databases, cloud services, social media, and more. Its extensive built-in connectors streamline data aggregation seamlessly with more than 1,000 connectors, and you get a unified view. It integrates diverse data types for comprehensive business visibility. Also, the predictive analysis is a great feature. So you can have forecast trends. You can use your historical data to anticipate market changes accurately. You can optimize your resources, making proactive decisions for resource allocation and efficiency. And there are advanced tools which are anomaly detection and detailed scenario planning really can help you have a look at your data and see how you can predict your next move. One or two of their drawbacks, again, we're having a look at a steeper learning curve than some of its competitors. It is a lot of software, it's very complex. So that's something that you need to take into consideration. You can't just jump in and start using it. You will need some training or some sort of, background to help you through the process. Also, their subscription pricing can be expensive for small and medium businesses. If you are a small enterprise, maybe it's not the best option in terms of cost. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen, 2 softwares, 1 choice. Which one is it? On the one hand, you have certain use cases. On the other hand, you maybe have a budget-friendly option or something that is less complex. The key takeaway here is to go and use the software. See what works for you specifically, and then go with that. If this really was helpful, drop us a like, and we will see you next time.